So, if you know the first robotic chef sa mundo, meron na, right? So, that was from Dubai. I think that was from Dubai. Woohoo Restaurant, if you know that one. They launched it last September ata. So, few months ago lang. So, grabe yung innovation talaga. No? Imagine that mga robot chef na yung magluluto, mag-evaluate, and they had a default system na kinakalibrate na lang ng mga expert. So, that was the future of our culinary world. Okay, moving back. But while the technology is reshaping our kitchen, the role of a chef remains irreplaceable. Technology can assist us, but it cannot replicate us. Our creativity, intuition, and passion for the food. The future chef must not only master cooking technique, but also embrace innovation, problem solving, and adaptability. So I just want to share also some of my experience sa Barko. When I started there, it's totally different po from land-based. Okay? So we are working without off. 6 months, 8 months, or even sometimes 9 months. Sometimes we are sleeping only 3 to 4 hours po. And sometimes, sumasabay din yung drill. When we are on the US border or US territory, grabe higpit yung sanitation check from the USPH. Marami akong nakasabayan na 1 week, 2 week, umiiyak, hindi nila kinakaya yung pressure. At sometimes, I'm sorry to say, may mga nadidepress, tumatalon at it's happened. At nangyayari talaga yon. So, land-based from sea-based is totally different. And talagang yung challenge part ay nandoon. Before you going to do that, kung gusto niyo magbarko, you need to have a tough mind, mental, at kailangan health tayo. Okay? Okay, I have some 7 topics na gusto kong i-share for this afternoon. The first one is the future kitchen is smart.